Oh, you got a dog. I like your dog. What you running from?
Aw, looks like you made a friend. My dog Cinder here is pretty tired from playing in the park over there.
Aw, he's so cute!
You know, right? He absolutely loves a good baseball.
Can I have a baseball? Yo, this is cool!
Girl in her bow. Looking for a ride?
Nah, we're good.
No thanks. Yeah, Mr. Peter would love to go to the park that your bus is blocking.
Yeah, facts.
Oh yeah, give me a second to stretch my leg and I'll get me.
Okay. Anyway. Oh, we gonna get to go to the park when he moves. Oh my goodness, we'll see you in court. Malwart? Hey, with the 5, thank you.
Remember when I fell on my butt trying to ride one of those?
Yeah, it's happened to everybody.
And I actually hit all the rows of milk?
Yeah.
And then Daddy paid hundreds of dollars for broken
Oh,
products?
that's actually crazy. I bet you got grounded for that.
Ah, the memories.
I don't...
Even though it just happened
Oh,
yesterday.
yeah.